For homeowners, investing in a good quality power washer ensures not only a cleaner home environment, but also less physical effort compared to traditional cleaning methods. With so many models available, it is important to choose one that is durable, easy to use, and powerful enough for a variety of household tasks. Among the top choices, here we have 3 best power washers.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Westinghouse EPX 3100 Power Washer. The Westinghouse Power Washer is a compact yet powerful cleaning solution for homeowners. Designed with efficiency in mind, it delivers high water pressure and flow to tackle tough cleaning jobs, such as removing stubborn dirt from concrete driveways, brick walls, and outdoor furniture. Delivering up to 2100 max PSI with a rated 1800 PSI, this power washer provides strong, deep cleaning water pressure for tackling tough dirt and grime. Weighing only 18 pounds, it's compact and lightweight with a built-in handle that makes it easy to store and carry wherever cleaning is needed. The 20-foot nylon-braided hose is designed for easy coiling, while the detachable foam cannon allows the addition of detergents or cleaning solutions for extra power on surfaces like decks, driveways, garage floors, stairs, fences, patio furniture, and vehicles. To extend pump and motor life, the unit features an automatic stop function that activates whenever the trigger is released, conserving both energy and durability. For homeowners who need a balance of portability, strength, and reliability, this power washer offers an excellent solution for everyday cleaning needs. On number 2, we have Powryte Power Washer. The Powryte Power Washer is well regarded for its versatility and adaptability in tackling multiple types of cleaning tasks. Engineered to provide strong water pressure, it is particularly effective at removing grime from siding, fences, and driveways. This power washer delivers up to 3,800 psi of pressure and 2.4 GPM of water flow, making it ideal for tackling even the toughest dirt and grime with ease. Its NCOR pump is built to last, durable, non-corrosive, and maintenance-free, backed by a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Designed to spray foam directly, the system keeps cleansers out of the pump, extending its lifespan and allowing the use of stronger solutions like bleach or vinegar. The dense, thick foam clings to surfaces longer, ensuring more effective cleaning results. For different tasks, the interchangeable nozzles provide versatility. The 0 degrees tip delivers maximum pressure for removing stubborn buildup on hard surfaces. The 15 degrees tip targets concrete and brick. The 25 degrees tip is perfect for softer surfaces like decks or vinyl siding, and the 40 degrees tip offers gentle cleaning for windows and screens. The Powryte Power Washer also emphasizes efficiency, helping homeowners save time and water while achieving professional-level cleaning results. For those who want a combination of flexibility and strong performance, this power washer is a dependable choice. On number 3, we have Commowner Power Washer. The Commowner Power Washer is another excellent option for home use, offering both strength and ease of operation. This washer is designed to handle heavy-duty tasks, making it ideal for cleaning large surfaces like decks, garages, and exterior walls. It delivers consistent water pressure that effectively removes dirt, mold, and mildew, restoring outdoor surfaces with minimal effort. Step up your cleaning game with a 33-foot pressure washer hose featuring a standard M2214mm female thread, compatible with most high-pressure washer hoses of the same specification and customizable to your preferred length. Powered by a robust 2,000-watt motor and advanced pump technology, the Commowner Electric Pressure Washer 2.0 delivers an impressive 5,000 psi, making it powerful enough to handle everything from car washes to removing tough grime on patios and driveways. Built for durability, it replaces flimsy plastic connectors with professional-grade metal garden hose adapters and a 22mm metal water outlet to prevent damage. The 33-foot high-pressure hose, equipped with double O-rings and secure metal fittings, guarantees a strong, leak-free performance for a seamless cleaning experience. So these are some of the best washers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.